Class 9, Chapter 9, Exercise 9.3. Question 1. In the given figure, ABC are 3 points on a circle with center O such that angle BOC equal to 30 degree and angle AOB equal to 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle other than arc ABC, find angle ADC. Answer 1. Arc ABC subtends angle AOC at the center, that is 60 plus 30, and angle ADC at the circumference of the circle. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to half angle AOC because an arc subtends angle at the center is twice of the angle subtended at this its circumference. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to half angle AOC. Angle ADC is equal to half angle 60 plus 30. Angle ADC is equal to half into 90. Angle ADC is equal to 45 degree. That is the answer. Question 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Answer 2. Given a circle having center O, its radius OA is equal to OB equal to chord AB. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Angle AOB subtended by chord will be 60 degree because AB subtends angle AOB at the center and angle APB at the circumference. Therefore, angle 2APB equal to angle AOB. 2 angle APB is equal to 60, then angle APB is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30. That angle APB is equal to 30 degree. Since quadrilateral ABPP, APBQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle AQB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Angle AQB plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle AQB is equal to angle 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. Angle AQB is equal to 150 degree. Therefore, angle APB in major arc is equal to 30 degree. Angle AQB in the minor arc is equal to 150 degree. Question 3. In given figure, angle PQR is equal to 100, where PQ and R are points on a circle with center O. Find angle OPR. Here, reflex angle PUR is equal to twice angle PQR. 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Since triangle PUR is an isosceles because OP is equal to R. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to angle ORQ is equal to X left. And angle PUR is equal to 360 minus 200, that is 160 degrees. In triangle PQR, x plus 160 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 180 minus 160 is equal to 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10 degree. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to 10 degree. That's all.